Hi friends, in this video we are solving problems on f of d into y is equal to x to the power of m. Nothing but a linear differential equation with constant coefficient problems we are doing. Given problem is solve d square minus 3d plus 2 times of y is equal to 2x square. So the general solution of f of d into y is equal to x to the power of m, nothing but f of d into y is equal to q of x. We have complementary function plus particular integral. So in this case we need to find out both complementary function and a particular integral. Friends, you remember to find the complementary function always we have to take q of x as a 0. Okay, and we have to take the function let y is equal to e to the power of mx be a solution of f of d into y is equal to 0. Then we will get the auxiliary equation f of m is equal to 0. That is, you will have m square minus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we have to find out the roots for this f of m is equal to 0. Then you see you can write this as m minus 1 into m minus 2 is equal to 0. Then you will have m is equal to 1 comma 2 are the roots. These two roots are the real and distinct. You see 1 comma 1 or 2 comma 2 here, 1 and 2. So both the roots are real, different. So you can say the roots are real and distinct. Friends, you remember when the roots are real and distinct. For example, a comma b are the two roots are real and distinct. In this case, the complementary function we are denoting with YCF is equal to and defined as C1 e power ax plus C2 e to the power of bx. Okay. So here what is a? Here you have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2. Therefore, for this problem, complementary function is C1 e power 1x plus C2 e to the power of 2x. So complementary function is completed. Now what we have to find out? We need to find out the particular integral. Complementary function is completed, so we need to find out the particular integral. Okay. Now the particular integral for f of d into y is equal to q of x, we have ypi is equal to 1 by f of d into q of x. Okay. Friends, you see here the particular integral 1 by f of d. What is f of d means? D square minus 3d plus 2 into q of x. Q of x is equal to 2x square. Okay. Friends, you see while doing the particular integral, first we have to verify the q of x. Q of x, what I have here? 2x square. So we can go for the shortcut method. In the shortcut method, whenever q of x is in the form of x to the power of m, then we have to convert this f of d, given f of d, into 1 plus or minus pi of d form. 1 plus or minus pi of d form. We have to convert f of d into 1 plus or minus pi of d. Then later on 1 by f of d will become 1 plus or minus pi of d whole inverse. In this case, we can apply binomial expansion. To solve the particular integral, f of d we have to write in the form of 1 plus or minus pi of d by taking lowest degree term as a common. Okay. Then after that you will get 1 by f of d is in the form of 1 plus or minus pi of d whole inverse. And then we need to apply the binomial expansion. Okay. Friends, you see here you have 1 by d square minus 3d plus 2. So what is the lowest degree term here? 2. So bring outside. Now if I have taken 2 is a common, then I will have 1 plus d square minus 3d by 2 into 2x square. So here the numerator 2 and the denominator 2 is getting cancelled. And then now you observe this is in the form of 1 plus pi of d. Yes or no? You see plus symbol, and this is in terms of d, in terms of d. Now this 1 plus pi of d in the denominator can be written as in the numerator 1 plus pi of d whole inverse. That is 1 plus d square minus 3d by 2 whole inverse into x square. Okay. Now this is in the form of 1 plus x whole inverse 1 plus x whole inverse expansion, what I have? 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube and so on. Okay, right? Now, you see, this 1 plus, in place of x I am substituting d square minus 3d plus 2. D square minus 3d divided by 2. Then, now I am substituting x is equal to d square minus 3d divided by 2. Then, I will get a 1 minus d square minus 3d divided by 2 plus d square minus 3d divided by 2 whole square, okay, minus so on, okay, into what I have? X square. Friends, you see, this expansion, binomial expansion, up to what degree you have to take means that is depends on x to the power of m. If power m is equal to 5, if you have, d power 5 term is enough. More than d power 5, nothing but the powers are d power 6 to d power 7, d power 8 if you are taken, those term will be vanish. Okay. For example, you see, derivative of x square. Tell me what is the derivative of x square? 2x. Next, d square of x square is 2. Now go for d cube of x square. I am differentiating x square with higher derivative. Then what I am getting? 0. So remaining all higher orders will become what? Higher order derivatives will become what? 0 only. Okay. So in this case, you see, first you can write this as 1 minus 1 by 2 I am writing outside. D square is okay? Yes. Minus 3d is also okay because it won't be vanish. Next, here a by b whole square. I can write a b square outside. Next, d, if you split this one, you will have, you see friends, d power 4 plus 9d square minus 9, you have here 2 3s are 6. So, minus 6d into d square means d cube. In this case, you observe, d cube is, you are getting 0. D cube of x square is 0. So, don't take this one. Higher order derivatives also don't take. So, the remaining term what I have? 9d square. So, write down 9d square times of x square only. Is it clear for everyone? Right. Now, you multiply inside. Now, 1 into x square is x square minus 1 by 2 into d square of x square. What is the d square of x square I have? 2. So, write down 2 here. 2 minus 3 times of, what is the derivative of x here? 2x. So, 3 times of 2x plus 9 by 4 into d square x square is what I have? 2. That's it. Now, you simplify. Then, you will get the particular integral. That is x square minus 1, here 2 is there, here also 2 is there. From these two terms, I can take 2 is the common and I can write outside. Then 2 getting cancelled. Then I have minus into plus minus, minus of minus plus 3x and 2 in the numerator and denominator getting cancelled. Then you will have plus 9 by 2. Okay. Now, if you are simplified, then you will have x square plus 3x. This is plus 9 by 2. This is minus 1. So, you will have minus 2 plus 9. Nothing but plus 7 by 2. This is the particular integral. Hence, the general solution is, we are denoting with y of x is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. That is c1 e power x plus c2 e power 2x plus x square. What I have here particular integral? X square plus 3x plus 7 by 2. So, this is the final solution of the given problem. Is it clear for everyone? Friends, to find the solution of f of d into y is equal to q of x. If q of x is either a sin ax or cos ax or e power ax form, next to the power of m form, and if it is having a constant or e power ax into f of x form, then you can apply shortcut method. Of course, a power x also we can apply the shortcut method. We need to find out the complementary function and the particular integral which gives the general solution. Similarly, I have done a more number of the problems in available in my YouTube channel. Please go through that. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.